Hello, so just recently I've been taking part in quite a few artist trading card swaps, and I've been sharing the ATCs that I've made via the shorts videos on my channel. I thought I'd come on today to do a slightly longer version with this one. So the theme was corrugated card, and as well as the packaging that I've obviously managed to find, I also found this coloured corrugated card in my stash. Now, I don't remember buying this. I've been sorting out my craft room, and there's a lot of stuff that's appearing where I think, oh, I don't remember buying that, or oh, that's where that got to. And yeah, this is one of the pieces I don't remember buying. It's just a little box about so big full of this coloured corrugated card. And I've just made this little garden scene, I guess you'd call it, with the little picket fence and the birdhouse there. I've knocked it back a little bit with some brown paint because it did look a bit glary and in your face, and I didn't like it. So, but this one's come out quite cute, I think. This one is packaging, and I've just knocked that back a bit with some white paint. Then I've added the hessian and lace, and I also found this lace flower in my stash, a little bit of book paper behind. Just dyed that with some, actually I think that might have been tea dyed, that one, or it could have been the Vintage Photo Distress Oxide. And then I found this tea cards in my stash, so I've got quite a few of those. I bought a stack of them at a boot sale, and so when I was sorting out a room I thought I need to get to use those, and I thought this one worked quite well on there with a little white lace and white flowers. I thought it popped nicely. And finally, this one I have painted with paper artsy paints. It was the first set that Seth Apter brought out. I can't remember the colours in it, but there were about 4 or 5 in that set, and they work really well together, obviously. And then I've also used his baked powder, embossing powder. No, that's wrong. Baked texture embossing powder, that's right. And I have used the rusty, I can't remember entirely what it's called, but it's something rusty or rusty something. And this is the Rocky Road, I think, and then there's a patina one as well. So just to kind of give that an old, I thought it reminded me of a sort of piece of farm furniture, door, fence, that sort of thing. And and this stamp is from Hobby Art, so I've just stamped that out and coloured it. Again, I'm quite pleased with that. I'm actually quite pleased with all of them, so I thought they were all different and a bit quirky. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave me a thumbs up and a comment, and until next time, cheerio.